Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I am checking out this weather stripping. This is like a neoprene, good for insulation. It's got like a one stick side there. You have doors or windows or other places where you need to prevent air from coming in. So these have two rolls in here, and you can see that this is pretty thick here. So it's got a sticky side on one. You just basically want to clean your area and then cut how much length you want there around the windows. So if you have older windows, sometimes you can just put this around the window frame there and keep that in there. Or if you have a gap or something when you close your door, you want it around the inside of your door when you shut your door, and it pushes this, it smushes this, so there's just a nice airtight seal all the way around your door. Really helpful for preventing air to get inside there. I actually need to replace mine. So this is like the thick type here. So if you don't have this much of a gap here, this stuff does get pretty. It smushes down pretty good. It's pretty resilient, and it's this neoprene's pretty burly stuff, so it shouldn't. It should be pretty durable, stretchy, pliable, and it smushes down pretty good. But I just want to make sure that if you do put this on your door portion, that it's not going to be too thick to where you actually can't shut your door. So perhaps a thinner one. But let's go. Test this out. There's just various places that you can put this, my friends. So anyways, let's go see what we can do here. Okay friends, so I'm just going to be replacing a section of this weather stripping here. So you can see it's been pretty much just shredded by my cats. So I'll go ahead and just remove this if I can. This just goes into the frame there, so it should just kind of pull out and kind of take some of this out of here. Let's see. I'm not sure how much I want out. Probably a good amount here. It's kind of just jacked all the way up to here. So, all right, so I'll just go ahead and cut that if I can. I have like a magnet strip in there. Okay. And this is kind of a thicker one, so I can just set this on there. Get out my roll here. Okay. See how long I need it to be. Right there, and we'll just cut it off. Simply peel off the back here. Snug that up right there, nice and flexible, so that can go on there. This should give us a nice good seal here on the door, and just kind of run that down. Okay, just put it nice and snug next to that. This stuff's pretty forgiving. It is sticky, but if you need to take it off and redo it, it gives you a little bit of a thing there. This can be stretched out pretty good as well, so there we go. It looks like I could use a little bit more there down here. So I'll go ahead and put that there. I don't know what that is there, right there. There we go. Okay, so I'll just cut off a little bit more here. Kind of just guesstimate. this can scrunch down a little bit, so it's pretty easy to work with. There we go. Now, I can shut my door.